Let's talk about something that quietly affects millions of people every single day: fatty liver disease. Most don't even realize it's there until fatigue, bloating, or stubborn belly fat begin to whisper that something deeper is going on. But here's the truth: your liver, that silent hero working behind the scenes, can heal. And the healing begins with what you put on your plate. So today we're diving into 5 simple, delicious, and powerful fruits that can transform your liver from sluggish to strong, from overworked to thriving. The first fruit on this journey is the humble apple. It's more than just a school snack or a symbol of health. Apples are loaded with pectin, a natural fiber that helps the liver flush out toxins and cholesterol. Every bite of a crisp apple is like giving your liver a gentle cleanse, helping it clear the backlog of fats and impurities that slow it down. Think of it as pressing the reset button, one apple at a time. Next up, the mighty grapefruit. This citrus champion contains naringenin and naringin, 2 powerful antioxidants that protect the liver and reduce inflammation. Grapefruit helps the liver burn fat instead of storing it. And that's exactly what we want when fighting fatty liver disease. 1 glass of fresh grapefruit juice in the morning doesn't just wake up your taste buds. It wakes up your metabolism, helping your liver do what it was born to do: detoxify your body efficiently and naturally. Then we have blueberries and cranberries, the tiny powerhouses of antioxidants. These berries are rich in polyphenols that prevent fat accumulation in the liver. Imagine these little blue and red gems entering your system like a cleanup crew, scrubbing away oxidative stress and protecting your cells from damage. A handful of these berries every day isn't just a snack. It's an investment in your future health. Now, let's talk about avocado. The creamy, delicious fruit that your liver absolutely loves. Packed with healthy fats and glutathione, avocados help the liver filter out harmful substances while lowering bad cholesterol. They don't just make your toast look pretty, they make your liver strong, resilient, and capable of regenerating new, healthy cells. That's right. Every avocado you eat brings your liver one step closer to renewal. And finally, the tropical sweetness of lemon. This simple citrus fruit helps the liver produce bile, the fluid that digests fats. Lemons are nature's internal cleanser. They support digestion, enhance detoxification, and maintain the liver's natural pH balance. Just a squeeze of lemon in warm water each morning can be the small daily ritual that sparks big internal change. Here's the truth: fatty liver disease doesn't have to be a life sentence. Your liver has an incredible ability to heal, but it needs your help. Every choice you make, every fruit you eat, every drop of clean water you drink sends a powerful message to your body. I am choosing to heal. You are not powerless. You are not too late. You are the captain of your own health, and your liver is ready to follow your lead. So the next time you reach for a snack, think of these 5 fruits: apples, grapefruit, berries, avocado, and lemon. They're not just foods. They're tools of transformation. Because healing doesn't always come from a pill. Sometimes it comes from the produce aisle. Your liver is your body's engine. Nourish it, love it, and it will love you back, with more energy, more clarity, and a life that feels lighter and freer than ever before. When we talk about healing the liver, it's not about a miracle cure or an overnight fix. It's about giving your body what it has always needed: nourishment that works with it, not against it. Keynote 1 focuses on this powerful truth, that certain fruits, gifted to us by nature, contain antioxidants, detoxifying compounds, and essential nutrients that help the liver regenerate, reduce fat buildup, and restore balance from within. This is not abstract science. It's practical, proven, and deeply empowering. Let's begin by understanding the liver's role. It's not just an organ. It's your body's master multitasker. It filters toxins, metabolizes fats, produces enzymes, and stores vital nutrients. Every second, your liver is working tirelessly to protect you. But when unhealthy foods, excessive sugar, alcohol, or processed fats overwhelm the system, the liver begins to store fat instead of breaking it down. Over time, this leads to a condition known as fatty liver disease, a silent epidemic that affects millions of people, even those who don't drink alcohol. Now, here's where nature steps in, because nature, in its infinite wisdom, has already provided us with tools for healing. Certain fruits, through their unique combinations of vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals, have been shown to actively support the liver's detoxification and regeneration process. Think of them as tiny edible medicines, gentle, effective, and without side effects. One of the most powerful groups of nutrients for the liver are antioxidants. These are compounds that fight oxidative stress, the process where unstable molecules called free radicals damage cells and trigger inflammation. When oxidative stress targets the liver, fat accumulation worsens and the liver's ability to repair itself weakens. Fruits like blueberries, cranberries, and grapefruit are packed with antioxidants that neutralize these free radicals, acting as the liver's personal bodyguards. Research shows that polyphenols in berries not only reduce fat deposits, but also improve enzyme levels linked to liver health. Another crucial element is detoxification support. The liver detoxifies the blood, but it needs certain natural compounds to do this efficiently. Fruits such as apples and lemons contain pectin and citric acid, both of which help bind toxins and flush them out through the digestive system. This not only lightens the liver's workload, but also prevents toxins from circulating back into the bloodstream. Imagine these fruits as helpers that carry away the heavy load your liver doesn't need to carry alone. Then comes nutrient restoration, the process of giving your liver the building blocks it needs to repair itself. Avocados, for instance, provide glutathione, a master antioxidant crucial for liver cell regeneration. Vitamin C, found abundantly in citrus fruits, strengthens the liver's ability to produce enzymes that break down fat. Potassium, found in bananas and oranges, helps regulate fluid balance and supports liver detox pathways. These nutrients don't just support, they rebuild. But beyond the science lies something more human and powerful: choice. You have the choice, every single day, to eat foods that either burden or bless your liver. Every piece of fruit you eat can tilt the balance toward healing. An apple at breakfast, a handful of berries for a snack, a glass of lemon water before bed. These may sound simple, but they create a ripple effect that transforms your body over time. The liver responds beautifully to consistency. It doesn't need perfection. It needs partnership. The magic of these fruits isn't just in their nutrients, but in their harmony with your body's design. They support your liver naturally, gently encouraging it to detoxify, regenerate, and regain balance, the way it was meant to. And when your liver thrives, everything else follows. Your energy rises, your digestion improves, your skin glows, and your mind clears. You begin to feel alive again. So, when we say that fruits can combat fatty liver disease, it's not a slogan, it's science with a soul. It's proof that healing is not something that happens to you. It's something you empower through the choices you make daily. The antioxidants, detoxifiers, and nutrients in these fruits are your allies. They stand beside your liver, fighting with it, healing with it, and reminding you that your body is capable of extraordinary recovery, if only you give it the chance. Your liver has been working for you since the day you were born. Maybe now it's time you work for it too, one fruit at a time. When we talk about healing the liver, it's not only about detoxification or removing fats, it's also about renewal. Keynote 2 centers on a truth that is both simple and profound. By incorporating the right fruits into your daily routine, you can transform not only your liver health, but your entire well-being. Each of these fruits works like a small, daily act of kindness toward your body. When done consistently, these choices awaken your liver's natural ability to heal, boost your energy, sharpen your focus, and give you a vitality that radiates from the inside out. Let's begin by remembering that the liver is one of the only organs in the human body that can regenerate itself. This means that even if damage has occurred, even if years of poor diet, stress, or toxins have taken their toll, the liver still holds the power to renew. It can rebuild, restore, and revive if it is given the right nourishment. And that's where fruits play an extraordinary role. Fruits are living foods. They are water-rich, fiber-packed, and loaded with vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that communicate directly with your body's cells. When you begin to eat them consistently, especially the ones known for supporting liver function, you're sending a message to your body, I am ready to heal. Over time, this message translates into real measurable change. Lower inflammation, reduced fat buildup, better digestion, clearer skin, and more energy. Think of starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water. It's not just a ritual, it's a wake-up call for your liver. The citric acid in lemon stimulates bile production, which helps your liver digest fats and eliminate waste. Follow that with a breakfast that includes apples or a handful of berries, and you've already set your liver up for success. These small, mindful acts compound over time, creating a ripple effect that enhances your overall health. When fruits like apples, grapefruit, blueberries, avocados, and lemons become part of your daily rhythm, something powerful begins to happen. Your liver's workload eases. As fat deposits reduce and toxins clear, your liver can focus on its natural job, filtering your blood, balancing your metabolism, and converting nutrients into energy. And this is where the transformation becomes visible. You start to feel lighter, more energetic, and mentally sharper. Fatigue fades. That sluggish, heavy feeling that once held you back begins to lift. The change doesn't stop at physical energy. A clean, efficient liver has a profound impact on mood and mental clarity. Because the liver is deeply connected to your body's hormonal and chemical balance, when it functions well, your emotions become steadier, your focus improves, and your stress response strengthens. You begin to feel not only healthier, but more alive. The beauty of this transformation lies in its simplicity. No expensive supplements, no complicated regimens, just nature's own medicine, delivered in the form of fruits that have nourished humans for centuries. The key is consistency. Healing the liver is not about occasional effort. It's about daily commitment. A few weeks of steady fruit intake can begin to lower inflammation. A few months can restore enzyme balance. And with time, you'll notice that your body is no longer just surviving. It's thriving. Imagine this transformation like sunlight breaking through the clouds. You might not see the full brightness right away, but every healthy choice lets more light through. Each apple, each slice of grapefruit, each creamy avocado brings your liver closer to recovery, closer to balance. You're not just eating for nourishment. You're eating for rebirth. And here's what's truly inspiring. Once your liver starts healing, every other system in your body benefits. Your heart functions better, your skin clears, your metabolism becomes more efficient, and your immune system grows stronger. You become a living example of how food can be medicine. So, when we say incorporate these fruits daily, it's not a diet rule, it's an invitation. An invitation to care for the organ that has cared for you since your very first heartbeat. To give back to the body that's carried you through fatigue, stress, and time. To honor the incredible healing power that already lives within you. Because real healing doesn't come from restriction. It comes from restoration. It comes from choosing to add more life-giving foods to your plate. When you eat with purpose, when you fill your body with fruits that feed your liver, you're doing far more than fighting fatty liver disease. You're awakening your body's natural rhythm, reclaiming your energy, and opening the door to a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. Your body is always listening. Every bite, every choice, every act of self-care sends it a message. Let that message be one of hope, nourishment, and renewal. Because with every fruit you eat, you are building a future where your liver and your life can truly flourish. Your liver is not just an organ. It's your body's greatest protector, your built-in detox system, and the engine that keeps everything running. When it struggles, you feel it everywhere. In your energy, your mood, your skin, even your motivation. But when it thrives, every part of you begins to glow with renewed life. The journey to reversing fatty liver disease doesn't require complicated medicine or expensive treatments. It begins with small, intentional choices. Choices that start in your kitchen, in your grocery basket, and even in your mindset. These 5 fruits, apples, grapefruit, berries, avocados, and lemons are not just foods. They are healers. They carry within them the nutrients, antioxidants, and cleansing power your liver has been quietly asking for. Each one works in harmony with your body, helping to break down fat, flush toxins, and rebuild healthy liver cells. And what's most beautiful is that these changes don't happen in isolation. They ripple outward. A healthier liver means clearer skin, better digestion, sharper focus, and a lighter, stronger you. The truth is, healing is not about perfection. It's about direction. Every time you choose these fruits over processed foods, every time you drink water with lemon instead of soda, every time you nourish your body instead of neglecting it, you move closer to the life and health you deserve. Fatty liver disease doesn't define you. It's simply your body's way of asking for care, and the power to answer that call has always been in your hands. So let this be your reminder. Your body is capable of extraordinary recovery. Your liver can heal. And it begins not tomorrow, not next week, but right now. Pick up that fruit, take that first bite, and know that you are not just eating. You are rebuilding, you are restoring, and you are reclaiming your health one natural healing choice at a time. Because when you give your liver life, it gives life right back to you.